Move that net to the south bay. Watch the drop zone.
Roger that. Clear the area.
Keep the pressure steady on unit 7.
It's holding at 5,000.
Clear this section first, then move to the center. Got it. Watch out for the next drop.
Watch the alignment on the feed. Keep it steady.
Angle the arm slightly to the left.
Confirmed. Making the adjustment now.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's fluctuating.
Noted. The impact zone looks clear.
Cover.
Look at the wear on that hinge. We need maintenance before it fails.
Check the alignment on this one. The rod is stuck again. Look at the rust.
Watch the alignment on this block. The nozzle needs adjustment before it cuts.
The alignment here is off.
Yeah, I see it. We need to adjust the nozzle.
Look at the accumulation near the roller.
I see it. The count is off by 10 units. Keep an eye on the suction timing. It's uneven again.
All right, I'm adjusting the sequence now.
Check the alignment on that matrix. The slices are chipping again.
See the fluctuation on line 12 right there?
Yeah, I'm logging it now. It's dipping below tolerance.
There's another reject on line 12.
Good, the calibration is holding steady.
These are the qualified ones. Make sure they go to the polish line now.
Check the feed pressure.
What?
The hydraulics are shaking loose.
Okay, I'm adjusting it.
Check the dust output on this one. It's heavier than the last batch. Yeah, the feed rate looks a little high.
Check the luster on this batch. Looks good, consistent polish.
The feed rate seems high on line 3.
Check the tolerance levels on the last batch.
The levels are dropping faster than expected.
We're seeing heavy boil off near the center.
Speed up the cycle on the third unit. The sheets are backing up. We have a pressure drop on line 3.
Confirmed. Check the hydraulics.
That one's losing pressure again. Yeah, I see it. The gasket's shot.
Look at the gauge, it's pinned again.
Is the valve open all the way?
We're showing 20 tons over pressure on the main line.
Watch the alignment right there. Clear the jam on press.
Keep an eye on the alignment as it enters the laser. Adjust if necessary.
The alignment on this one is off. See the scorch marks?
Yeah, I see it. I'll log it now.
Check the pressure on that clamp. It looks off center.
Yeah, I see it. It's biting.
That laser's unstable. Mark it down.
Which one? The middle bank?
Yeah, the middle one. Right there, the hex pattern is off center. We need to adjust the mirror focus. They're moving too fast through the gate. Check the pressure on the third manifold.
That calibration is still off by 3 millimeters. The suction isn't holding the iridescent slices correctly.
Noted. I'll adjust the flow rate immediately.
Check the pressure on unit 12. It's vibrating loose again.
Got it. Recording now.
Check alignment on gamma. Looks good.
Confirmed. Recording the sequence.
Check the lubricant levels on joint 4. It's vibrating slightly.
Alignment is stabilizing at 99.4%. Adjust the lower rhombic unit by 2 micrometers.
Confirmed. The wave pattern is forming. Logging the sequence now.
Keep the line moving. Watch the alignment on the press.
Check the alignment on this one.
Looks good, logged it.
Watch the heat signature on this one, it's a bit high.
Yeah, the hydraulics are straining again. I'll make a note.
Check the alignment on this iridescent section. The laser might be drifting slightly near the edge. This nano groove detail here, see the consistency?
Yeah, looks good. I'll
It's within tolerance.
The grippers are secure. Note the bite marks on the substrate.
copy that. Probe's engaging now.
This scratch exceeds the tolerance level by nearly 20%.
We need to recalibrate the pressure on the lower arm immediately.
Keep it coming straight ahead. Watch the height. Good, that's good right there.